me share the post, the pic, I ask myself what if I nah comment, I nah go click before me ask what if I.
Stop it, that one. Yeah man, if link up in here, see me I say, that work, you see me? Salaston, you don't know, Jalute. You see me, if you don't want furniture for deal with 876-312-5720.
Greetings one and all. Always remember this, together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give away free, none not sell. Welcome to Lion Foot channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks.
Bless love and greetings all of my fans, my viewers and subscribers, and welcome up all as well. Yeah man, today I have two positive videos for sure and reasoning, you know what I mean? One about a school youth from Meadowbrook. Yeah, he's from Meadowbrook and he's love the message and I sang him and say, what if, you know what I mean? And big up Jamaica and big up the broadcast.org.jm. You see me? Yes, and this next general, you know, the next video with this brother, furniture brother here. I don't know where in Jamaica he is, but I feel so proud to see it. When I see it in the group, I said I have to do something about this and give him a highlight, you know what I mean? Yeah man, cause this one for see, you know. The use them and do something positive, you know what I mean? But watch the video then.
Nah, click on your link for my liquor brother pre that slap bro, we no need that. And the next thing them type of song they are listening online, what kind of thing that some big man pose up on them profile and a put chat to a small child. Watch yourself on social media when you a post boxes, no do nothing too wild. What if your little brother said a post ya? What if your bro dead in another crime video ya? What if your little sister fi take a one pic and it a put up everywhere like it's a poster? Before me share the post, the pic, I ask myself what if I nah comment, I nah go click before me ask what if I nah comment, I nah go click before me ask what if. So before you share the post, the link, just ask yourself what if yeah. When you're there online, make it a new day at the rhyme. Keep up with the time. Broadcasting commissioner remind you.
Yes, my people, I don't know the name of that young artist, that youngster, you know, school youth, you know what I mean? But all I know is a Meadowbrook school, that I know the uniform, you see me? Yes, I big up all the Meadowbrook teachers and the students them. I big up the artist name. I Google, I search, everything, did my research, I can't see the video nowhere, you know what I mean? But I got the video from a group. That's what I say, but yeah. I say John Ostam, I love the message where you to send, and it feels so good to see the youth them and send positive message. That means that some of them must stay conscious, you know, and some lose it. Because some of us slang them must say fully dance, you know. And I don't like it, you see me, about fully dance. You see me? Yeah man, wife and the artist will come with that talk there. Yeah, but the youth them for stay in a school and yeah, the man tell us, yeah, nah, click the link if you're not sure how, cause what if it's a dead man? You go click and see somebody dead or see something, you know, derogative or extraordinary, X-rated or, you know what I mean, disgusting, you know what I mean. Somebody say, I think twice before him click it. I say, what if it's a sister, you see, them expose. You know, do something wrong and them expose or delete the video. And you click on it and it's your sister. What if? You see me? I assume I saw the song name. The man I say, yo, I tell the girls them say be careful, and the man them to the youths them to be careful who you talk to on social media, because yeah, the impersonators are there acting like a them and none of them. You know what I mean? And be careful what you send back. Don't send nothing rude or X-rated or whatever, you know what I mean? So I love the message in the song, and it's a joy, it's a greatness, man. You see me? I hope them we can see this time I can have this on TV I rotate as promotion and a message to the youth them all over Jamaica and the rest of the world too. Moving on, next video, my people. This brother here doing work from, I don't know where in Jamaica he is, but I got the video from a WhatsApp group.
Tala works. Great Tala. He works with Jerry. Tala works, Jerry. Tala works.
Yeah, I mean, man. I mean, man. See? Yeah. I mean. Have that? No? Anything? How many that are?
Great, Jugo.
Yeah, man, link up in here, so me I say. That's work, you see me? Fellas say you don't know Jalute. You see me? If you don't want furniture to deal with, 876-312-5720. You see me? That's a Jalute number. You see it? So you can just link up furniture, bed, anything. Everything in a furniture there. Just link up and see the them thing I go through. I go with them, I go right away. Hot bread. You see me? Hot bread. You see me? So you can check it out. You don't know DJ Juggle Ball there. You see it? Look out for the furniture them, you see me? Big up Global X artist. So. Furniture thing, we do everything, a business. You see me I say? So you can try through.
Yes, my people, you see that you have to big up, yeah man, big up to the brother them, man, you see me? Whole up a big up and respect, me feel proud of him, man, you see me? And you can see the man feel proud of him business too, you see it? Him look at trade, him look at hustling, you see me? Yeah man, the man say him build bed, him build whatnot, night table, you know what I mean? Anything where you want, you can link him up upon the number 312-5720, 312-5720. Yeah man, at Jamaica, anywhere Jamaica there, you big up yourself, man. If you come across this video, my viewers and subscribers and you know him, you can tag it to him, man. You see me, because I feel proud if he says a youth to do something positive in the garrison. You know what I mean? Enough you would give up and turn to the guns. You know what I mean? Go pick up gun and go and rob, you see me? Knife, go and rob people, you see me? Grab people bag, purse, phone. You see me? Instead of trying, you know, so work hard to get on them things there, yes. But there's other ways out, you know what I mean? Trade. You know what I mean? If you don't have a skill, you know, other ways there, man. You see it? You know what I mean? Instead of do something wrongdoings, you know? So I feel good and proud of that youth. You get what I say? Yeah, man. You see it, man, I sell him furniture. People on the link him up, 312-5720. Yeah, man, you see me? I remember back in the days I used to learn the trade too, you know. When I white things with my brother-in-law named Honey. You see me, I'm looking nephew, Clive, you see it? Yeah, man, I'm for big up Pulpy and Fat Rat to Elder to General. We used to get I and I lunch money when I have the lunch money. I'm going to school. Because I know Catburn Pen the right next door to White Wing, right behind the White Wing, you see me? Yeah, man, but that video, I respect to that brother, yeah, man, big him up, because it's easy for all it in a garrison in Jamaica, you know. Poverty sky high, jobless, no job. You see me? So if you see me do him look at hustling, and I say, yeah, two of them will go away, you know. Don't have him buy them already, you see me? You know, so China go buy them, you see me? And sell them back. Because that me look at Belgium though, Annually Kelly. More time, I make a look at money, just go buy 2 pieces of board. You see me? I'm going to build a one bed and sell it. Make it and sell it, you see me? To Mr. Chin. You see it? So the way I fly for the hustling. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, and I hope these 2 videos uplift you and motivate you today. You know what I mean? And the song with the look you sing, you know what I mean? What if? Nice positive song, you know? Yeah, because you saw the world I run right now on the technology and the industry. You see me? The words so you modify your body and, you know what I mean? The look you them take on to the song you made them hear. That's why I have to sing clean song, you see me? Yeah, but big up to the youngsters as well. May that big up on yourself. All my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Schoolers, big up on yourself and think positive. Parents, look out for the kids them. See? Until next time, you know. Out, you know. Make sure if you click the subscribe and like button and click the bell so you get for the next content coming soon. Alright? Peace.